and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Makka Pakka is in science class, and we have our little My Generation science kit called Under the Microscope, and it has a real functioning light. This packaging is made from recycled materials. I love toy companies that care about our Earth. Under the microscope includes, of course, a purple microscope. A microscope helps us see teeny tiny organisms like bacteria. And let's turn on that little light, and it will help us see our slide better. There we go. We'll put it on the table, and Makka Pakka needs to wear eye protection in case anything splashes up into his face. We always need to protect our eyes. Oh, these don't fit on you, Makka Pakka. Let's put this elastic on and they will stay on your face. There we go. This is called a flask. And as you can see, there are little lines with numbers. And these numbers are in milliliters. 500 milliliters of liquid. And then there's little tiny test tubes. And they have liquid inside of them as well. We have some pink liquid. And we have yellow liquid and purple liquid. Makka Pakka has been in the lab growing bacteria on his petri dish. Let's have a look at his slide. Ooh, this little microorganism looks like Iggle Piggle. And this organism looks like Tinky Winky from the Teletubbies. Organisms live on our skin, on the surface of door handles, and everywhere we go. Next, we will do a lab class using vinegar and baking soda to create a volcano. Stay tuned, Tiny fans. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.